Let me ask you something honestly. Do you feel like you are serious about your art, you invest your time, effort, energy, yet it still feels like a hobby instead of a real business? Do you sometimes wonder why others take your art lightly even though you are deeply committed? If this feels familiar, this video is for you. Many artists live in this confusing space. They are not beginners anymore, but they are not fully business owners either. They are stuck in between where effort is high but results are inconsistent. This in between stage feels extremely frustrating. You may be creating regularly, posting your work, maybe even earning occasionally, but there is no structure, no clear system, and no predictability. Because of that, even you start doubting whether this can become a serious business. Let me tell you something important that you all need to hear today. Your art feels like a hobby not because it lacks value, because it lacks structure. Without systems, without structure, even serious effort looks casual from the outside. Let me reframe this gently. If your art feels like a hobby, it does not mean you are not committed enough. It means your effort is not organized into a business model yet. Organization creates identity. Most artists wait for results before treating their art like a business. They think once income comes consistently, then they will take it seriously. But the truth is the opposite. When you treat it like a business first, results will automatically follow. When you start adding structure, your mindset shifts. You stop creating randomly and start creating with intention. You stop guessing and start planning. And this shift builds a lot of confidence. Empowerment begins when you decide that art deserves seriousness, not someday, but today. That decision changes how you show up, how you plan, and how others perceive you. You don't need a big setup to start treating your art like a business. You don't need perfection or everything figured out at once. You need clarity on what you are offering and how it fits into your life. Clarity creates direction. When artists define their offering, pricing, and process, everything becomes clearer. People start taking them seriously because they present themselves seriously. Perception changes with structure. Imagine waking up and knowing exactly what you're building. Imagine talking about your art with confidence and clarity. Imagine others respecting your work as a business, not just as a hobby. That transformation begins internally. Most artists stay in a hobby mode for years without realizing it. They wait for external validation to come in before stepping up. Time passes and potential remains underused. This is not lack of talent, it is lack of positioning. You deserve to be taken seriously. You deserve to build something meaningful. You deserve consistency, clarity, and confidence. And you deserve to see your art as a real business. If this video helped you understand why your art still feels like a hobby, that awareness matters. Change starts with just one decision, and structure changes that decision into reality. If you are ready to shift from hobby to business and build something real, comment art business below. That one step can change how you see your art and your future. Thank you.